What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you 5 apps to make passive income in 2018. Okay, so each one of these I use on a daily basis. I'll have links in the description for them if you guys want to check them out. And I'm going to spend about 2 minutes talking about each one. Okay, so the first one I want to get into is Robinhood. Robinhood is one of my favorites for a couple of different reasons. It's a stock trading app that has 0 commissions or fees on it. So, for example, like let's say that you wanted to buy a share of Twitter, which is selling for about 26 bucks almost. You would go to buy a share of it, and then normally you'd have to pay a fee to do this. It'd be anywhere from like 5 to 15 bucks. But on Robinhood, everything's completely free. So there's no fees on here. This is a great way to start investing. I mean, you can start with as little as 10 bucks and an account on here, and you can start buying stocks. And, you know, while you don't know if a stock's going to go up or not, you can definitely like buy a few different ones, which will diversify like the the amount of money you have in each one, and, hopefully you make money on it over time. But this is a great way to get into investing, and it's free. I mean, there's no fees on here. This is very easy to use, and I think everybody should definitely check it out. They've got some cool features in here for charts and stuff. So like you can pull up charting up to 5 years. You can actually hover your finger over the price of Twitter, which looks like it's actually doing pretty bad. It looks like it started at almost 60 bucks, but it's down to 25, which is no good for them. But anyways, you can check out charts on like price histories on here. They've also got some cool notification features that let you know if a stock's up or down on your phone. That way you can know if you want to sell it or not at some point. But anyways, Robinhood, I mean, everybody should have this on their phone. There's really no reason not to. I mean, it's free. Okay, Swagbucks is going to be my next top choice. Swagbucks is awesome. Anybody who wants to make some easy money doing things that you would normally do, basically how it works is you can use the built-in search on here. So you can use their search engine. If you're going to Google something, open Swagbucks up and you'll get money. And I'll explain in a second. You can also play games on here, watch videos. You can shop through here. Every time you do these things, you earn what's called Swagbucks, and then you can redeem them for PayPal money, Amazon gift cards, and you kind of get to the point with Swagbucks when you don't even think about using it. I mean, you're just opening it up all the time, and, like I said, you're searching for stuff. You're watching videos on it, and you don't realize it, but you are going to get paid eventually. I mean, you're making free money just using this app. You can also refer friends to it, which is awesome. And out of all of these apps that pay you to do things, I really think that Swagbucks is the best one to use in 2018. They've always paid anytime I've cashed out on here, and, it's an awesome little app. So definitely check it out. Okay, Acorns. Acorns is another like stock investing app, but it's an interesting one, right? So you don't have as much control with Acorns. It basically takes your money. You can actually put automatic investing on here. So, I mean, you could have it transfer $5 a week, $10 a week, $25, and then it'll put it into a mutual fund for you. So this basically will make you passive income over time by automatically investing your money. Another cool thing they do on here is that you can actually invest spare change. So like anytime you make a purchase, we'll say Starbucks, for example, we'll say you buy a coffee for $2.20. It rounds up or down to the nearest dollar, so it'll take that 20 cents and invest it into your Acorns. Now, there's some other cool things about this. So they have a cool little feature on here that shows the potential. So like, let's say that you're investing on Acorns, and right now it says $5 a week, and it shows your potential up to your certain age right here. Let's just say we did $50 a week. Okay, $50 a week. And we did this for, what is that? A set amount of years, you'd make $405,000 by investing $200 a month into Acorns. This builds up over time, right? So, I mean, this is really cool, and this is definitely a way to get more into investing and making passive income. It's a great app. I mean, this is a no-brainer one. I mean, you could do as little as $5, and it kind of just gets you into the game of investing and doing it where you don't have to think about it. They'll automatically invest it for you. Acorns keeps getting more and more popular. In 2018, this is going to be another great app that I think everybody should have an account on and, get started with it. Okay, maybe one of the more risky passive income apps that, I've been using is Coinbase. This is the Bitcoin cryptocurrency app that is my top recommendation. So I don't have a lot of money in it right now, but the trend right now seems that Bitcoin and these cryptocurrencies are going down. I have a theory that they're probably going to go back up at some point. So you can start buying, some of these, like some of the cheaper ones. And I mean, there's a lot of cool things you could do with this app. So anyways, this is going to be my cryptocurrency investing app that'll allow you to make passive income. But basically, you can set alerts on here for for things. So for example, like let's say that you're thinking about buying Bitcoin, but you don't want to buy it until it gets down to a certain price. We'll say maybe you want to buy it at 8,700. You can get an alert on Coinbase allowing you, to letting you know that, hey, it's dropped. You want to invest in it. Holding this for like a year, 3 months, 1 month. So you don't know where it's going to go, but I think maybe it's good to diversify. And this is probably an app where, maybe a little bit more risky, but if you want to get into the Bitcoin game right now or any of these other cryptocurrencies, Coinbase is definitely where it's at. They've got cool pricing chart histories on here where you can check the charts for the 1 month, kind of like hovering your finger over here. And while I don't have a lot of money in here right now, I did take money out of it recently. I had about 1,800 in it. So you can actually move money in and out and then, leave it in here and then get alerts, which is cool. I do think, it's good to diversify, so definitely check that one out. I think it's a good way to try to make some passive income with cryptocurrencies this year. Okay, last but not least is Amazon. So anybody out there, who's watched us on the channel, we make money from Amazon affiliate. So basically, like, you can get, I pulled up fidget spinners because they're popular right now. Like, let's say that you want to start maybe writing blog posts or doing YouTube videos. You can make passive income through Amazon just by buying products and then putting links in the videos. You don't make a lot of money, but over time it starts to add up to the point where you're making some decent money every day without doing anything. So you're basically using Google and YouTube to make passive income with Amazon. I think you just got to find stuff that's, trending, like fidget spinners. If you wanted to do that, that's kind of a popular one right now. In order to make this all happen, though, you definitely need to have a blog. And to get one, I would use Bluehost because this is where we host our website and everything. So you want to have a website to use Amazon affiliate stuff. So definitely create an account here with Bluehost. It's super cheap to get started on here. It's like $3.95. Find like a cool domain name, one that's available, like fidgetspinnercity.com or something if you want to do the fidget spinner game, and you can start doing that. So anyways, Bluehost is definitely where it's at. So I want to recap on each one of these. I didn't spend about quite 2 minutes on each one, but Robinhood is a great investing app. I'm saying you can make passive income on there for sure. Swagbucks 2018 is where it's at. This is like an all-in-one points app that you basically do, normal stuff on that you normally do, like watch videos, use the Google search, play games. I mean, they'll pay you to do that stuff. It's real easy stuff. Acorns will invest your money too. You don't even have to think about it. Plus, you could set up recurring deposits in there. Coinbase, a little bit risky, but I think cryptocurrencies are here to stay. So you can get into the cryptocurrency game like Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that good stuff. And then of course Amazon. If you want to start doing like promotion of Amazon products, you could definitely make some passive income doing that after you've done like a blog post or video, but you need a website to do that for sure. So definitely check out Bluehost to create like some kind of like .com name for something you're interested in doing. Anyways, this is all stuff that I'm using, so that's kind of why I'm standing behind it too. I'll have links in the description for each thing. Definitely hit me up in the comments if anybody has any questions. Hope everybody enjoyed this video too. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and we'll see you guys later.